Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. I'm Amy Viernes, 30 years old, married. I have 3 kids, college level, in Bachelor of Science in Industrial Education.
Okay, so Miss Viernes, what are your reasons why would you like in Hong Kong?
I would like to work in Hong Kong because Hong Kong is very nice place and people they are very friendly and loving, and I want to support my family financially, sir.
And for example, what will you do if the baby you're taking care of cries at midnight?
I will check if the baby's diaper is full or check the baby is hungry, sir.
And how will you know if the baby has a fever, and what first aid will you give to the baby who has a fever?
I will check the baby's temperature through a thermometer and give him proper medicine if he has a fever, sir.
And how will you assist the child when crossing the street, and where's the proper way to cross the street?
I will hold the child while crossing the street and cross only on pedestrian lane, sir.
And if the baby you're taking care of fell on the ground and he suffered many wounds, what first aid will you give to the child?
I will wash the wounds with soap and clean water and put first aid medicine